Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making this cheesy goodness with few simple ingredients. I'm starting off with egg wash. I'm gonna use this for sealing as well as for coating. Set aside, then take a spring roll wrapper, place a cheese stick and roll like so. Once you reach the center, fold sides and seal with a little egg wash. Now let's move to coating. For coating, follow the Feb rule: flour, egg and breadcrumbs. Coat nicely so that our sticks will not explode in the oil. Use seasoned breadcrumbs. If yours are not, then season them with salt, pepper, garlic and onion powder. You can freeze them at this stage or fry straight away. Keep turning for even browning, and once they are nicely golden, take them out. And enjoy this crispy, cheesy deliciousness. Let me show you how crispy they are. Look at this. Oh my god. Do try them out today and enjoy with your friends and family at iftar. That's all guys, and I'm gonna see you again with another delicious snack. Take care. Bye bye.